Hello little chefs. Welcome to Cooking Time for Kids. Are you ready to guess, cook, and learn something fun today? Let's begin. Let's guess, what are we cooking? I am round. I can be cheesy. I am baked. I am loved by kids and grown-ups too. Can you guess what we are making today? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. Yes, we are making pizza.
Whoa!
Today we are going to make a delicious homemade pizza. Let's learn something interesting about pizza. Pizza started a long time ago in a country called Italy. People made flat bread and added sauce and cheese on top. Over time, pizza became popular and is now enjoyed all around the world. Today we are going to make a delicious homemade pizza. Ingredients. Let's look at the ingredients we are using today. Pizza dough. Tomato sauce. Cheese. Vegetables like bell peppers, corn, and olives. Pizza seasoning. These ingredients make our pizza tasty and colorful. Let's make pizza. Step 1. Roll the dough. Use a rolling pin and roll the dough into a round shape. Step 2. Spread the sauce. Spread the tomato sauce evenly on the dough. Step 3. Add cheese. Sprinkle cheese over the sauce. Step 4. Add toppings. Place your favorite vegetables on top. With help from an adult, put the pizza in the oven and bake it. I have a poem for you until our pizza is baking. Let's repeat after me. Round and flat, the dough is ready. Rolled out smooth and nice and steady. Sauce goes on so red and bright. Cheese falls softly, just right. Veggies on, a colorful sight. Into the oven, warm and light. Soon it's ready, crisp and neat. A yummy pizza, ready to eat. Look at our pizza. It looks delicious and ready to enjoy. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Happy cooking!